I proposed to Ashley last night.
And she said? So today we've taken the day off from building the van after a productive week last week. Worked a little bit yesterday, got rid of some rubbish this morning, and now we have driven to the Zillertal Alps. We are hiking up to Olpererhütte tonight, and we're going to stay there and then hike back down in the morning. So very excited for this. Good break. We left the van at the car park before the toll road starts. It costs €17 for 24 hours to leave the car there, as it's actually prohibited to park a camper van at the reservoir. So we jumped on the public bus, which cost about €6 to €8 per person one way.
So we just got to the Glacier Reserve, and it's a massive glacier lake, or a man-made lake, but a glacier's fed into it. Look how blue it is. Ooh.
The hike up to the hütte takes around 1 to 1.5 hours. The first part is quite steep, but the views along the whole way are incredible. How are we going?
Struggle through.
Heavy backpacking uphill.
Yeah. It's really steep at the start, but now it's not too bad.
That's the hut we're going to. The last climb.
Last climb. Let's do it.
You'll definitely be glad once you reach the top, and that reward of that unreal view is so worth it. So this is home for the night.
This is home. This is our little hut.
This is where we're sleeping. You can just see the water out the window. So we're just headed for the famous bridge that you'll probably all recognise from Instagram and social media. The bridge is only a few minutes walk from the hut, so if you're staying up the mountain, it's easy to come and go as you please. Enjoying the view?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
After enjoying dinner from the terrace, we made our way back to the bridge. And lucky for us, there was no one else there. We had it all to ourselves for sunset. As I waited for Lockie on the bridge as I thought we were taking a photo, this happened. This was totally unexpected, and as I planned the trip, we then went back to a dorm room and slept with 6 other strangers. We got up early to watch sunrise and were joined by a few other campers. This hike in the Austrian Alps is one not to be missed. If you get there at midday, it is crowded, but if you stay overnight, sunrise and sunset are a lot quieter and the views are spectacular.
Pretty beautiful sunrise.
What did you do last night?
I don't know, I went to sleep. Had dinner.
And?
That's it.
What fun.
I proposed to Ashley last night.
And she said?
No. So today, Lockie and Ash comes to a screaming halt. See you later, guys. Now you're just on Lockie's adventures.
Jokes.
Okay, she said
I said yeah.